Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 automotive oscilloscopes for accurate diagnostics. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. ZT703S2 Channel Oscilloscope, a high-precision, multi-instrument oscilloscope with multimeter and signal generator functionality, perfect for professional and personal use. The advantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: high precision for accurate diagnostics. Multi-instrument design saves space and cost. Suitable for various testing scenarios. The disadvantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: may require expertise to utilize its full potential. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. ZEEWEII DS03D12 Digital Oscilloscope, a desktop oscilloscope with a 3.2-inch screen, 120 MHz bandwidth, and integrated multimeter and signal generator capabilities. The advantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: high bandwidth for detailed waveform analysis, multifunctionality for added versatility, compact size, ideal for limited workspace. The disadvantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: smaller screen may limit visibility. At number 3. 2C23T Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. This 3-in-1 device combines an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator with a dual-channel 10 MHz 2 bandwidth and 50 ms/s sampling rate. The advantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: multifunctionality reduces the need for additional tools, compact and portable design, dual-channel support for simultaneous waveform analysis. The disadvantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: lower sampling rate may not capture fast signals accurately. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. BSIDE New Touchscreen Digital Oscilloscope, a touchscreen, dual-channel oscilloscope with a 50 MHz bandwidth and built-in signal generator, perfect for modern automotive diagnostic tasks. The advantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: intuitive touchscreen interface for ease of use, dual-channel functionality for versatile diagnostics, includes a signal generator for additional testing options. The disadvantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: limited sampling rate compared to higher-end models. At number 1. FNIRSI 1013D 7-inch Digital Tablet Oscilloscope, a compact and portable dual-channel oscilloscope with a 7-inch display, 100 MHz bandwidth, and 1 GS sampling rate. Its mini tablet design makes it convenient for professionals on the move. The advantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: large 7-inch screen for better waveform visualization, high bandwidth and sampling rate ensure precise readings, portable design suitable for fieldwork. The disadvantages of this automotive oscilloscope are: limited battery life.